Hey guys, welcome to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today you can see this is Samsung mobile. It's Note 5. It's hang up. It's not moving anything. So how can you reset or restart your phone? Is this way? You can see it's not working anything. Press the power button, press the volume minus button, and press the home key together. It's 10 seconds. And you can see your mobile is restart. And now you can see your mobile is reboot and restart. It's logo Samsung. So if your Samsung and any other Android system is hang up like this, also iPhone, you can reset or restart your phone this way. Press the power button and volume minus button and home key together, and you can see the phone restart and working. So this phone is working, you can see. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.